Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company, and we are out here in the Cotswolds with a very special prize for you guys. This is a 1970 Triumph trophy that we converted into this desert sled style trim. Really nice bike. This one can be won on our website for £2.99, and the draw will take place on the 11th of January, which is a Sunday at 10 PM, the draw. So what I'll do now, tell you a bit about the bike. So we bought this 1970 Triumph TR6R trophy, 650cc. It was all fully restored. It wasn't in this kind of off-road trim, and we decided to change into a desert sled sort of machine. So we've got desert sled style bars, high level pipes, got a sump guard on there, and we've also got some adventure tyres, and really finishes it off nicely. We had the tank professionally repainted in Ivory white and Pozzi Ferrari blue, which are one of our favourite colours. It's very dark, deep blue. So yeah, all in fantastic condition. A really cool, unique machine. You won't find something like this anywhere else because we've all done it ourselves, custom built in our sort of style we like. So what we'll do now, we'll have a go at starting it. Hasn't been started for about a week or so. Stone cold on a cold English December day. So we've got our two fuel taps we'll put on, one on each side. One is a reserve, but I'll put both of them on because I'm not quite sure how much fuel there is. This is our key, which the wrong key seems to be in there. So that just turns, our ignition on. Give our carb a tickle, which is on the right hand side. A little tickle here until a bit of fuel primes and comes out. Got our kickstart, and we do actually have a choke up here on the right hand side, which is pretty handy on a day like today. So we'll put that on, which is loose cable choke, and we'll give it a kick, see what happens. Take a few. Ignition's on. There we are. Give it a little bit more of a tickle. It doesn't seem to need choke. I guess the car's been set up in a way where it's not required. It's quite a loud bike as well, those straight pipes. I will put it on a bit. A bit more of a tickle. So it's very loud with those pipes, but it sounds very cool. The engine itself is actually quite quiet and smooth. About just about warming up there. Is quite loud, like I said. I'm not really sure if you can hear me when the bike is revving up like that and I'm speaking. So yeah, really cool machine, basically brand new, fully restored. We won on our website for £2.99. It's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. It's the 11th of January at 10 PM, which is a Sunday. If you do enter, thank you very much for your support as always, and good luck. This is a really nice one, and the winner will be a very lucky person. Stunning machine.